Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry, Zane wants watermelon. As you guys saw on the last clip, we went food shopping. We also went to get breakfast. Here you go. Zane loves watermelon. We also went to get breakfast. I won't show you guys like a grocery haul because obviously you guys saw everything I bought. Look how cute. Oh my god. I got only like 3 of these big roses because I'm going to place them in this little vase that I have here. This little, not vase. Where is it at? Oh my god, where is it at? Wow, it was right in front of my eyes. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. But how you guys been? I am so sorry on how I, opened this vlog. It's yummy. Oh my god, look at Zane, how he's eating this. Look at him. He's so cute. Look how pretty, guys, my flowers turn out. They look so cute. Do you like them? Do you think they're cute? Yeah. Joseph. Hi guys. So I am done reading. I literally stayed on the couch this whole time. I was just reading, and then I was spending some time with Joseph and Zane. And oh my god, we're about to start cooking now. Well, making dinner. Joseph went to buy some marinara sauce because, like I told you guys, I don't remember if I did earlier, that we're gonna be making penne pasta and Parmesan chicken. We first put it in the flour, and then in the egg, and then in the breadcrumbs. Guys, the flour has salt and pepper, black pepper. And then you drench it in the egg. And then you coat it with the breadcrumbs. my God.
Spending hours and hours.
What are you doing with your time?
Why not just make a video about it since I spent so long thinking about it? That video actually turned out to be the video, the first video.
No! Nemo! Where's your diaper? Oh my God, this kid took his diaper off and he freaking peed all over the floor. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. I have to clean up a little bit from last night because we had family over and we played some games and stuff. I think I recorded like a little bit, like I think Zane dancing or something. After I'm done doing all that, I'll come back and talk to you guys. Tell them that you peed everywhere. Making Joseph a sandwich because he wants to take it on the road when he goes to work. And I made Zane a macaroni and cheese that he wanted, and I made us some tea, as you guys saw on the last clip. So yeah, that's all that we've been doing after I finished cleaning the kitchen. So yeah, and then I'm going to heat for him some pasta from yesterday and some chicken. Being outside. I brought Zane outside, guys, for a little bit. He's been wanting to come outside. Oh my God, we gotta cut the grass. That was one of the reasons why I didn't want to bring him out. Hi, baby. Hi, mi amor. Hi, baby. He's having the best time of his life. Wee! Aw, you're so cute. Be careful. I forgot to end this video, but I didn't do anything else besides editing after we came inside. But thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, everyone. Bye!